That's not already bad. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. Can't look at that. I'll start laughing. Chubby bunny.
That sound.
Three.
Anyone want to hear me pooping again?
Four. Chubby bunny.
Oh, I wish I did it like 10 minutes before that. It was so much filthy.
Oh, no.
That sound.
Chubby bunny. I don't know. Chubby bunny.
New pack. So look at the camera so we can get the full effect of the bunny.
Chubby bunny.
I just realized this.
Mm-hmm.
For someone that never texts back, Troy texted back pretty quick when I sent him a picture of my shit.
I know, it was because I was writing about it, so now he's really good at texting back. I guess that I was kind of
Chubby
mean about
bunny.
it. I probably didn't
I know.
Oh well.
But now he texts back.
Like, he literally texted me back like maybe 5 minutes after. Like, not even a minute after I sent that, probably. Let's see, did he... What did he do? If it doesn't show the...
Chubby
Yep. Oh, actually, he did fuck up a little bit. Took him a minute to respond.
Oh,
Took him a minute to respond.
too much for
A
bunny.
minute?
Yeah, I sent him a picture of my shit. I love him.
Mm-hmm.
How many is
Use your
this?
other hand to get it out of the bag.
Oh no!
Out of the bag!
Mm-mm, mm-mm.
Oh, you... Oh.
Oh no! Oh no!
Mm.
Oh.
All of them too.
Why you gotta laugh?
Because it's hilarious. Oh!
Why'd you have to laugh? You fucked me up again.